It sounds like a lawnmower. It flies slower than a Cessna. And it is built with parts you can buy on the internet. But make no mistake, the Iranian-made Shahed 136 is one of the most consequential weapons of the 21st century. For the last few years, this suicide drone has terrorized battlefields from Ukraine to the Middle East. It has proven that you don't need a billion-dollar stealth bomber to destroy a power plant or an oil refinery. You just need a cheap engine, some plastic, and a GPS chip. Let's look at the specs. The Shahed 136 is deceptively simple. It's a delta-wing drone about 11 feet long. It is powered by a Mado MD550, a simple 50-horsepower piston engine that is essentially a copy of a German aircraft engine. This gives it a top speed of only 115 mph, very slow for a missile. But its strength is its range. It can fly for over 500 miles. This means it can be launched from the back of a civilian truck deep inside enemy territory, loiter for hours, and strike targets with pinpoint accuracy using satellite navigation. The most terrifying stat, the price? Estimates place the cost between $20,000 and $50,000. Meanwhile, the US missiles used to shoot them down, like the AMRAAM or Patriot, can cost $1 to $4 million each. Mathematically, you cannot win this war with traditional missiles. You will go bankrupt before the enemy runs out of drones. And the threat is evolving. In late 2025, we started seeing the Shahed 238. This is the Pro version. It swaps the piston engine for a micro-turbojet, boosting its speed to over 300 mph. It's painted black for night operations and uses radar-absorbing materials to become harder to spot. Even the standard 136 are getting smarter. Recent recovered units show they are now equipped with NVIDIA Jetson chips and optical cameras. This allows the drone to see the terrain and navigate without GPS, making American jamming technology much less effective. They are no longer just flying blind coordinates. They are hunting. So, how is the US fighting back? The Pentagon realized it can't use million-dollar missiles against $50,000 drones. Enter the Coyote Block 3. This is the US answer, a reusable, non-kinetic interceptor that hunts these drones in packs. But the real game-changer is directed energy. Systems like Epirus's Leonidas use high-power microwaves to fry the electronics of the Shahed swarm instantly. It's a force field. You don't run out of ammo, you just need electricity. The US is even building its own clones. The Air Force is currently testing the Lucas system, a direct American copy of the Shahed, to test our defenses, and frankly, to give adversaries a taste of their own medicine. The Shahed 136 isn't the most advanced weapon in the world, but it might be the most cost-effective. It has democratized the ability to launch strategic airstrikes. The question is no longer, can we shoot it down? It is, can we afford to shoot it down? What do you think?